TK Parker now. No way. He sets him up. TK Parker brings him down. Signature maneuver.
What a move, Taylor. What a move. My goodness, from TK Parker. Taylor, that's what you get, man, when you come to the WWA 4 ring.
There it is. Oh, almost had a double pin there. TK Parker rolling over trying to get the pin. Come on, ref. And apparently we have a pinfall. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner,
TK Parker. Unloading the artillery, thinking about going upstairs there, Taylor. He's going there. He's there. Wait a minute. Unloading the artillery. Forearm smash. Back and forth there. Right hand by Rick the Kid King. Right hand by TK Parker. Wait a minute.
Oh, they've been up there before several times, firing some forearms right to the face, both men jockeying for position. Wait a minute. TK Parker now. No way. He sets him up. TK Parker brings him down. Signature maneuver.
What a move, Taylor. What a move. My goodness, from TK Parker. Taylor, that's what you get, man, when you come to the WWE.
And apparently we have a pinfall. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner,
TK Parker.
TK Parker pulls out the upset here at the WWE 4.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is your winner, TK Parker.
My goodness, what an upset. TK Parker has a contendership with Navy Blue for the Internet Gold. My God, I can't wait to see this one next week.